So, like I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history, true, and leave this falsehood.
Bring your seat and sit down now. Let's welcome our brother Wemumu, Asari Dokubo. I want you guys to watch this video and hear from Asari Dokubo what he has to say about his originality. Thank you.
So, like I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history, true, and leave this falsehood. Tell our history. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We should not be ashamed of who we are. It's not because somebody is making claim we are going to deny because a man is making claim. Whether Igbo people make claim or not, that's their bloody business. That will not stop us from saying that this is what we are, who we are. And we stand up to who we are. We keep record of who we are. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. I am Edi Abali today. Edi Abali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abang. He's from Obom in Abang. From there, his family went to Bosi in Anambra State before they came to New Calabar. He's an Igbo man. I am Edi Abali. So when somebody say, hey boy, all this, no, yes. The name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first working houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Edi Abali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also is Briggs. So also is Oxford. Young Briggs, Oswald, Edi Abali, my father Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma, Elebike, Elebuke, Odikadibia, David Wells, Elebuke Wells. These are all Igbos. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. These people are Igbos.
I beg, make una help me define confusion again. Because I don't understand Dokubo again, I swear. Asari Dokubo, beg, who are really you? Who you really are? Just they throw away grammar everywhere. When you see an Igbo person, you don't even need the person to tell that he or she is an Igbo before you will know. From the way they speak, from their actions, you already know that they are Igbos. Dokubo, you are not Igbo. We have sold you out long time ago. The same way you think you can bite the finger that is feeding you. That is exactly the same way we have thrown you away. So go and start searching for where you are from. Okay? You can be an Igbo. You can be born from Igbo family. You can be answering Igbo name. You can speak Igbo. Do anything that has to do with Igbos. But the moment you started sabotaging every good thing that has to do with Igbos, that day is the day that Igbo in you will leave you. So Dokubo, you are no longer an Igbo. We have rejected you long time ago. So forget that Tinubu is giving you breakfast now and you are looking for where to fall back to. We have rejected you. There is no space again for you. Anything that has to do with Igbos, has nothing to do with you, Dokubo. So go and start searching for whoever you think or wherever you think you are coming from. No, only you can come, my brother.